Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time on my channel, you are very welcome. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. Today's video is about this look. Yes, so if you haven't subscribed, do consider taking a moment, click on the subscribe button down below and click on notification bell as well to get notified whenever I upload a new video without wasting much of your time. Let's get the Okay guys, I'll be using my Pineapple Cosmetics Loose Powder in the shade Ivory to set my brows. This will actually help my brows to stay matte throughout the day. And I'll be using my spoolie brush to brush my brow into place. With the help of this pencil, I'll draw a line underneath my natural brow as I'm doing. And I'll draw another at the top part of it to meet the first line. So now I'll be using a brown pencil from Cosmetic Art to fill that in. And going in with the spoolie brush to brush both color together, I mean the brown and the black color together. Now I'm using my concealer from BH Cosmetics foundation and concealer palette to clean my brow. Please, if you haven't subscribed, do click on the subscribe button down below. Click on notification bell as well to get notified whenever I upload a new video. And I'll be using that same concealer to clean the upper part of my brow. If you are a beginner, use your foundation to clean the upper part of your brow so that blending will be much more easier for you. Please, if you have not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button. It's free. Yes, it's very free. No charges, no hidden charges. So I'm using a fluffy brush to brush the excess concealer into my skin. So I'm using Dahlia Cosmetics Free Skin Green Corrector as my eyeshadow base. So I'll be blending that with my finger. Yes. Now for my eyeshadow today, I'll be using the Morphe Jaclyn Hill Ring the Alarm palette, and I'll be using this shade in my outer V area. Yes. So what I did is I stamp the shade in my outer V area, then diffuse the excess into my crease. That's what I'm doing. I just pack it, yes, pack it. I just pack the shade in my outer V area, then diffuse the excess in my crease as I'm doing. Yes. So if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. I'm using this shade to highlight my brow bone. I always want my brow bone to look brighter, so I'm using that shade to highlight my brow bone. So going back with the Dahlia Free Skin Concealer, because I'm going in for a matte green shade, I'll be using that Dahlia concealer, that green concealer, so that it will help my eyeshadow pop. So I'm using this eyeshadow color, I mean a matte eyeshadow color that's on your screen, to set that concealer. You see the way the eyeshadow is popping. Yes, that's the secret. I use a green corrector and a green matte eyeshadow. And don't be wondering why I'm blending with my finger. I'm addicted. So going back with my brush to further blend the demarcation between both shade. Now I'm using my Floma Cosmetic eyeliner pen to line my eye. I actually zoomed this part. Nothing dramatic, but something simple to bring my eyes home. Please, if you haven't subscribed, do subscribe down below. I have a lot of tutorial on my channel. You can actually check them out if you haven't. And I have a detailed tutorial on how to apply lashes, which is also on my channel. And I will leave the link down the description box, as well as cards in between this video. You can click on any of the cards when you finish watching this video. So to prime my face, I'm using the Pond's primer to prime my face. Yes, so if you haven't subscribed, just click on the subscribe button. It's free bunto. For my foundation, I'll be going in with Maybelline Fit Me in the shade Mocha. I was actually doubting if that is Mocha because I have two. That's why I was staring at the foundation. Yes. So now I'm blending my foundation. Please blend, oh. Blend as if your life depends on it. Just keep blending. Blending is the key. Blend. Please, if you have not seen my other tutorials, I have a lot. Simple looks, beginner friendly looks, all the looks like you want. I have all. So keep watching. Keep watching, and trust the process. Trust the process. Sometimes you see the roof is very rough. The road is very rough. You think, no, there's nothing good here. But trust me, there is something. So keep watching and subscribe as well. And blend your foundation down to your neck area. Blend. So to highlight my face, I'll be using the Floma Cosmetics Perfect Coverage Concealer and AOA Wonder Cover Concealer in the shade Cotton, and the Floma Cosmetics in the shade Dark to highlight. So let's highlight and blend that. Yes, let's highlight and blend that. Back blend. Blend. And remember to highlight the bridge of your nose. Blend. Yes, I'm using this small fluffy brush. It's a tempered blending brush to blend. But this doesn't blend fast because I'm kind of lazy. So I want bigger brush that will just tap, tap, tap. I beg, take your time when blending. Just take your time when blending. So keep blending. And if you haven't subscribed and if you are still watching till this, till this part of the video, may God richly bless you and your family. Oh God, I have some amazing family. May God richly bless you all. I love all my subscribers. I love you all. And those of you who keep coming back. Hi. The love is big. So to contour my face, I'll be using the LA Pro Matte Foundation in the shade Ebony to contour my face. Please, when you have a problematic face like mine, acne prone skin like mine, please take your time when applying your makeup, because sometimes it can be frustrating, it can be annoying, but how we for do we have to slay our faces as well. So please keep on blending. And I'm using my foundation brush in blending my nose contouring. So trust the process and keep watching. If you haven't subscribed, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe. Please subscribe. Subscribe, it's free. So to set the places where I highlighted, I'll be using the Floma Cosmetics loose powder in the shade Light Sand. This is my third time of recording a voiceover. So whether this is good or bad, and I pray it's good, inshallah. Yes, I'll just post this one because human being is tired. Yes. So a little bit of baking went ahead. So to set the places where I contoured, I'll be using my Nikak Dual Contour to set the places where I contoured. Yes. Just see lips. Remember to blend. I'll be using the Nikak Dual blush as well. So for my highlighter, I'll be using the Catrix the Ultimate Chrome palette to highlight my brow bone, the apple of my cheeks, the bridge of my nose. Yes. So please, if you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe down below. I'm actually feeling sleepy. That's why I'm talking. I'm feeling sleepy already. To set my face, I'll be using the MAC Beauty Prep. Yes, I'll be using a damp beauty blender to tap that into my skin. Now I'm just highlighting my brow, the bridge of my nose. To line my eye, I'll be using this iconic liner. So this is the face I make when I just realized my phone was not filming while I was applying my lipstick. Child, this phone can be annoying. Okay, let's just wink. Let's just do a little inner wink. Yes. And I get teary. Always use your mascara to coat your natural lashes with your forces. And remember to curl. You see how teary I am? Okay, guys, this is our final.